That's because you're a black man. I was trying to get a video. I stopped to make the video work and I lost him. I was so close to getting him.
I've never seen a black man running in a white girl.
Darren! No drunk texting! Come on, Darren, we're going to Cumbies. Come on. Come on, we're going to Cumbies. I'm not lying. Okay.